Hello guys, GOS here on the random video post. Some context first. Since I started this channel, I made everything on my laptop, but this laptop is getting old now. Even though I can play some games on this HP 470 G7 with an Intel i3 10th Gen, 6GB of RAM, an AMD Radeon 532GB of VRAM, and 17-inch screen good for watching porn motion video, not in 4K sadly. But editing on this laptop with CapCut is like cooking steel like a blacksmith. Don't even think about Twinmotion or D5 Render and Premiere Pro. So I tried to find some good deal on Facebook about 2 months ago. Then I found this GPU, the RX 5500 XTU, about $120. And at the day after receiving our first scholarship of this year, about 1 month, my friend showed me this monstrosity without RAM because the AI thing, you know what I mean. But even though the RAM was available, I don't have enough to buy, so I ended up buying just the CPU and the motherboard for less than $60. And for the PLS and the cooling, I am broke as hell now, so I am trying to save for the build. So everyone, don't try this. It is a warning, not an advice. But if you want to support me, subscribe on the channel and like a video. Even it will be not enough to tell YouTube to let me verify my channel by my phone number from my poor country. Sorry Mata, I love this little island like a left foot, even a Chad Sigma male, as I have similarity with the goat. And let me upload video longer than your disc, so check out on the channel eventually sometime. For even a view or thumb up maybe will help me and take of my laziness for editing and upload video with this internet speed and sometime the annoying power cut that happened everywhere in the town because of some company and some stupid rule of my state. But if you want something that I need to do or post, feel free to ask on the comment or directly on Twitter or X now by Bieber 2049 and give me some advice. Even the smallest one is more than a welcome, and thanks to you till then, and see you next time.